Hi, and welcome to this quick unboxing of the Dell 7410 Chromebook Enterprise Edition. This laptop features an i5-10310U processor, 16GB of RAM, Intel integrated UHD graphics, 128GB NVMe 2230 form factor SSD, a 4-cell 52 Wh express charge capable battery, and a full AC 1920x1080 screen. The device comes in a nice slender cardboard box. The lid and the lock tab were taped shut, and it was quite hard to pry open even after the tape was cut open. To one side of the box we have a packet containing the 3-pin UK power adapter with the terminating IEC C5 or cloverleaf connector. Next up is a 65W Type-C ePEAT power adapter brick. Also included is the quick start guide, which is the sparsest startup guide I've ever seen. The laptop itself is covered in a somewhat easily removable plastic cover. It's not the slimmest of devices and has pronounced squared sides and weighs in around 1.39 kilograms. On the bottom there are two downward facing speakers, grilled vents, and two rubber feet running parallel to the width. The back features some more air vent openings. The lid is clamshell carbon fiber with a slight overlapping brick relief. Now, opening up the laptop requires two hands, which might be due mostly to how new the device is, and the carbon fiber body means it's not as heavy as other builds. The keyboard is standard UK layout and is backlit with a single surface trackpad just underneath. The top row features slightly narrower dedicated function keys as well. Along the top of the screen is a full HD webcam with stereo microphones on either sides. It also features a manual privacy filter. Now, on the right hand side we have a security locking port, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, one with power share that allows charging devices from the battery even when the laptop is switched off, and a 3.5mm audio jack. On the left hand side we have micro SD card reader, two USB-C PD compliant ports which allows power delivery to charge the laptop, and an HDMI connector. The one thing I noticed is that the hinge on this device is slightly odd as it extends below the base of the device when fully extended. This seems to be due to the shared body plan with this Latitude 7410 2-in-1 version, which can be flipped completely over to form a tablet-like form factor. This probably had to share the same hinge access points but not the fully articulating joints. It's a unique device alright in an odd niche. I find the i5 and the Chrome OS lacking for anything other than a bit more than casual browsing with the extended benefit of a keyboard. Being a close cousin of a 2-in-1 device, it offers more performance than a tablet would, but only slightly more utility with an OS whose main purpose seems to be work in the cloud and Google Spear. Well, that does it for this unboxing. Let me know what your thoughts are if you ever use this machine, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you found this useful. Thank you, and goodbye.